Hello Haas, thank you for taking some time to view this video. I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. So the point of this video is to keep up on your online traffic. I meet with a lot of prospects and they need some help just to increase their online traffic and revenue, but you guys are killing it in a lot of different areas. So mainly the point of this video is just to compare your website to local competitors' website. And even though you're outranking a lot of people in different areas, there's some ways you could outrank top competitors in multiple areas. So I'll talk about content, backlinks, and citations. So whatever I talk about, definitely could use yourself. But if you want to talk about that or anything further, please feel free to drop me a line, either email, phone call, or text. But either way, if you could leave me some feedback on this video, couple lines, that'll help me just get better making these free custom videos for local businesses. But as you know, content, you need 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on the competition and number of keywords needed. So you got plenty of content on this website. Keywords are throughout. So keywords are anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you can place your keywords throughout your website just to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So you guys are doing an awesome job in that. So definitely keep that up. As you know, people search for a product. These are some buyer intent words. So you always want to be on that first page. So I picked HVAC services, San Diego, California. This is something you might want to invest in sometime, just some ads up here that might increase some online traffic that you're not doing already. And this is the map pack here, the citations. I'll talk more about that in a minute. But these are organics, as we call, and you always want to be on that first page. They say the best place to hide a dead body is on Google page 2 and 3. Because consumers don't go down here to search for stuff. So you guys are definitely on that first page in a lot of areas, including HVAC. You're right there. But I'm just going to compare your website to one of the top competitors in this area, which is Anderson Plumbing. So this is a tool we call Ahrefs. We just do a deep dive in websites. So found some interesting numbers comparing yours to your top competitor. So speaking of keywords, you're using 1.7 keywords, so over 1,000 keywords, and you're getting a lot of push power on that, so definitely keep up those keywords. But compared to and here's your competitor's website, Anderson Plumbing. They got a nice design, website as well. A lot of keywords, a lot of links, so that's what's giving a lot of push power. But you're actually beating them in a lot of numbers, but for some reason they're still outranking you. So love to do some more research on this, but they're only using 419 keywords. And we could kind of look at their keywords and maybe see what are some of their push volume. Obviously the higher the volume, the better. So maybe some of their keywords they're getting more bang for their buck. I'm not sure, but some of these keywords you could take that you don't have in your website that are high volume, you could definitely insert those in your website. But then keep up your keywords as well. The next one is backlinks. So backlinks is anywhere where you find one website connected to your website. These act like endorsements of your website from others, and that gives Google that trust power in your business, seeing others vouch for you. So think of it like a popularity contest, right? So the more backlinks wins. But keeping that in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to have those HVAC services, plumbing, heating, air, all those websites linking back to you. It doesn't help if restaurants or dentist office, lawyer websites are linking to you. And again, you're killing it here. You guys are doing awesome. So 6,000 backlinks, 432 different domains. But your competitor, let's go back to his. This is Anderson Plumbing. They don't have as many backlinks, and they have 291 domains. So again, you might double check your backlinks. For some reason, they're giving some more trust power with them. Google is. You got a 4022. They have a 4022. That's Anderson Plumbing. And you have a 3738. So again, good numbers across the board. You guys are obviously doing well, like I said, but you could do some things just outranking your competitors in many different areas as well. And then finally, citations. About citations. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, BBB, hundreds of others. And it's anywhere where your business name, number, and address are shown in your Google business profile. And they just help you be ranked in this map pack. So you guys are in some map packs in different searches, but in the HVAC, you're not. And kind of like The organics, people don't click on here for more services. They look at this first page in organics. So again, you guys are doing a great job. I just wanted to do that kind of website audit for you. But I would keep up the good work. And again, if you want to speak about anything further, please feel free to reach out. But either way, again, if you can leave me some feedback on this video, I greatly appreciate that. I just want to help some local businesses in the area. Thank you and have a good day.